Teacher Bonnie here with the topic My Favorite Food. For this video, we're going to talk about a word that is quite short, but there's a special story in it. The word will be peas. Peas. These are tiny, tiny peas. Do you guys like to eat peas? Okay. For the word peas, there are 4 letters. There are 4 letters, but there are only 3 sounds. Peas, peas, peas. Let's look at the word. Now, in the word peas, there's Peter Puppy, Mr. E, Mr. A, and Sammy Snake. Here we can see it's the 2 vowels go out walking story. So the story is when 2 vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking and says his name. The second man will not say anything because they're too busy looking out for robots. Okay, so here Mr. E says his name, E, because he's the first man. The second man, Mr. A, will be looking out for robots, so he will not say anything. Okay, here it's a E sound. E-A is E, E-E. P-ease, peas, peas. Are you guys ready to spell it? Let's go. Got it? Okay, the answer is P-E-A-S. P-E-A-S. See you in the next video.